Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for a 12 for a squat, busting all the bells out the box. Hit a lick with the pop, hit it with the stick.
I'll keep you safe in these arms tonight. Hold on to me, baby, baby. I'll keep you safe in these arms tonight. Hold on to me, baby, baby.
Rest in peace to the world, it's the end as we know it. Death is pulling up and taking everyone to row it. Evil's at the top, take a look at who's in office. Sometimes I think that it's too late to stop it. R.I.P. X, R.I.P. Peep, R.I.P. Mac. You're in heaven, no relax, this shit got me tearing up, it's like it's one after another kill. Hurts me, but imagine how the mothers feel. Got me feeling like I never wanna pop another pill. Too many legends taken away, I can't believe it's fucking real. Damn, what do we do? So many people that look up to you, especially kids, look at the youth. Suicidal, but you help them get through. Fuck, got me thinking, man, I don't wanna die too soon. Got a lot of shit that I still wanna do. Just turned 22, and I still want the coupe. And I still wanna buy my mama house in the pool. Goddamn, it's a crazy ass life. Might go out with a needle, might go out with a knife. All legends die young, R.I.P. to the greatest. You will always live on through the music you created. So I gotta thank you for making me me. Cause without your music, don't know who I be. Today at Angel OD, this is my eulogy. Rest in peace to the world, it's the end as we know it. Death is pulling up and taking everyone to row it. Evil's at the top, take a look at who's in office. Sometimes I feel that it's too late to stop it. R.I.P. X, R.I.P. Peep, R.I.P. Mac. You're in heaven, no relax, this shit got me tearing up, it's like it's one after another kill. Hurts me, but imagine how the mothers feel.
Hey old friend, how has everything been? Do you still have the memories from then? Or is time to come from your mind? I never knew what I had.
Why do people leave? Actually, why do I seek relief in people who only mistreated me? Let a sense of dependence and need in me. I'd give the ones that I love all the blood in my body, but never be seen as enough. I used to kick on my click, never trip by the bitch, I've been smoking my lungs. Now they just copy me, putting out music instead of pursuing the shit that they love. They haven't seen all the sleepless nights I would stay up, but the times I would write as I cut. I still have notebooks with pages and pages of verses soaked all in my blood. Conversations I had with myself and no one felt like giving a fuck. Contemplations I had to just giving it up. One night I grabbed all my razors and sat there in silence while holding the gun, thinking it won't be so silent when everyone hears what I've done. Squeezed the trigger as hard as I could, but the bullet was stuck. Etched 20 lines on my skin, fell asleep and left life up to luck. I'm not scared of the dark anymore, I'm in love with it. Spent so much time in it, I became one with it. I don't ever wanna see the sun again. All I want is to be fucking dead. Leave me roses and violets inside of my coffin. A knife with an upside down cross and blood dripping off it. An ounce with some vodka, make sure there's a mosh pit. Make sure that my mom is in the middle, getting stomped quick. For all the time she left me and my brother unconscious, high off the drugs coming off it.
In a life that got in, oh so dark, a life that falls apart, my heart been torn apart, I've been torn apart. I'm a fucking loner and I stayed away for life. I'll probably never change, even though I'd like to. I'll probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. Probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. so hard to find some meaning in this life, to find some meaning in this life. In a life that got it oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find the right answers. I mean, I don't wanna die, I just wanna feel alive. Maybe in my next life, get a chance to feel alive. But people say you only get one chance, so I gotta work hard to try and find a light. Yeah, find a light in a life that got it oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find. I hope somewhere down the line I'll be able to find the light, the light, the light in a life that got it oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind.
Misunderstood, it's not sitting right. Can't read your mind, what you feeling like? She asked what we are, so just one night. Going hard for this music, make sacrifice. Up in the booth, it's my new grind. Once I cop up potatoes, my new shine. I used to roll it like I froze time. Said I got a girl, but she don't mind. I've been up all night, the money never sleeps. If you bite the hand that feeds you, then you'll never eat. Gotta pray for I step for this life is death on these streets. Making moves on the hush, so understand I keep it G. Can't tell if niggas are with me or if they finna leech. Promise if you reach, I lay your body down, leave you to cease. Niggas capping, they never practice what they preach. I could care less about the fame, cause I got family to feed. Mars so cold, don't show love. I work in ambition, there's no love. Permanent scars can be sold up. Fast money, but she slow fuck. Yeah, life just like a sub, it's cold cup, but what's the whole up? Going through this bullshit, I'm like Derek, how I rose up and now I'm getting paid. From all the pain I pour on the page. They say when you getting money that you bound to change. Ain't gon' lie, never met no one made me feel this way. I hate them niggas who only ride if you feel a tank. I know that pressure make diamonds, so we don't shine the same. If you ain't been through this storm, I'ma make you feel the rain. Got loyalty in my veins, ain't gotta question me. I'm manifesting my dreams, the Lord keep blessing me. I got it sauce and they wanna know about the recipe. If a nigga fuck with me, it's gon' be rest in peace. I'm feeling locked in my mind like God done tossed the keys. Rather be rich in my soul than have my pockets deep. When you pour, you grind for more, or just complain. I've been on from the drugs, need a prescription for the pain. I'm blind blowing, I'm starting to feel like Wayne. Don't want me a piece of pie, I want me the whole thing. Misunderstood, it's not sitting right. Can't read your mind, what you feeling like? She asked what we are, so just one night. Going hard for this music, make sacrifice. Up in the booth, it's my new grind. Once I cop up potatoes, my new shine. I used to roll it like I froze time. Said I got a girl, but she don't mind. I've been up all night, the money never sleeps. If you bite the hand that feeds you, then you'll never eat. Gotta pray for I step for this life is death on these streets. Making moves on the hush, so understand I keep it G.
I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. Remember when we talked on the phone, we were geek now. Every time I call, you're so low, you can speak. I miss the better days, sharing stories, they're all blurred out. Everything's a haze, talking to you really hurts now. Self-control, self-care, I keep fighting for it, takes so long. But I swear, I'ma make it for all these wrongs. Wish I could run it back, turning the time, switch to the things that I broke in my mind. Keep to myself and stay close on my life. Think it's way better than open their eyes. Anxiety and full throttle, all I need is this bottle. Drink too much, feel awful. Nothing can help in this novel, colossal. Apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. Don't wake me up, just let me sleep. I get your calls, just leave me be. If I'ma fall, just cut me deep. I've had enough, my arms feel weak. And it's a problem for both of us. I've been longing for better submissions, holding you, waking up. Now I'm wanting to break this love soul's a part of the pain and cuts all these scars that you gave me. But where to start is the hardest part. Took a shot in the fucking dark, needs a new pavement. Give me some medication, flooded with all your statements. Mind is way too close to breaking. Feel the position I'm shaking. What the fuck was I taking? What the fuck was I taking? I'ma fall apart, this my